I love math. I love math.
Hey guys, Mr. Ng going over the 2.4 Jamboard partner practice you took on January 18th, 2023. You were asked to sort these questions here into linears and quadratics. You'll notice that the x is to the first power, and the x in the equations are to the second power, and they're either parabolas opening up or down. Question number 1, it tells you the degree of a polynomial is the degree of the term with the highest exponent. So this is x to the first, this one's x to the 0, so this would be x to the fourth. This is the degree of the polynomial. This is a fourth degree polynomial. This one, they're not in order. This one is a 7, is correct. The leading coefficient is the coefficient or the number on the term with the highest degree. So although this is a fourth degree polynomial, the leading coefficient is 5. Pay attention, the 5 is not the leading coefficient just because it's the first one. So 5 would be incorrect here. This one's the highest degree, so it would be 6. 6 is the leading coefficient. Number 2, it kind of tells you the same thing, so that would be 6. Okay, this student said, there was no correct answer in the sense that there's a bunch of them. So this person said, I chose this grouping because the two seem very similar to the fact that they are both quadratic and seem to be the same when they are reflected over the x-axis. So maybe their arrows are both pointing up, and they're kind of just switched, reflected over the x-axis. Why does Sandy pick this grouping? This person wrote that there was a pattern. It's based on how many times it crosses the x-axis. So maybe this one crosses once, and then kind of bounces here. There's a once. This one has a multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at another. Alright, so for this problem, you could have chosen a couple of things. You could have chosen, say, these 3 graphs. Oh, I think you guys were kind of talking about that they didn't. These 2 graphs, the arrows are in quadrants 1 and 3 and kind of look linear. That can work. These 2 graphs are W's in some ways. You could also say it's even degrees, or the arrows are in the same direction. You could have said something like that. You could have said these 2 graphs, they're both to the 4th power, and you could find something else that is to the 4th power. We don't have another one. These, I was hoping you would say something like the arrows are both pointing up, and this one has 1 down arrow, 1 up arrow. That's what I was hoping that you would say. Hopefully that was helpful. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
We doing math today, ain't got time for no games. We doing math today, all work and no play. We doing math today, listen up and behave. We doing math today, we doing math today.